One of the biggest artists in Cambodia.
Section, the beat
Yes.
is like giving a very posh feel.
ये है वो न्यू स्कूल स्टाइल ऑफ रैप है
Rap
जो
a
आज
little bit changes in the flow, and that's coming out very good.
तो क्या हाल दगड़ियों, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are Joel Brothers. I am Pratyush Joel and this is Akshay Joel and you're watching
Hip Hop Reactor Radio. Hey guys, what's up? क्या हाल चाल है S2R2 fam? So guys, हम वापस आ चुके हैं एक बिल्कुल नई रिएक्शन वीडियो के साथ. एंड गाइस, आज हम एक ऐसा ट्रैक लेके आए हैं जो कंबोडिया से है एंड वहाँ के एक बहुत बड़े आर्टिस्ट और काफ़ी ज़्यादा जिनको बहुत सुना जाता है कंबोडिया में, वांडा करके उनका नाम है और उनका एक ट्रैक है बिजनेस क्लास. तो आज हम उस पर रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज बहुत सारी फरमाइशें इस पे आ चुकी हैं कंबोडिया से. तो चलिए गाइस, आज करते हैं इस पे रिएक्ट.
और गाइस, अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया गाइस तो हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, रिंग द नोटिफिकेशन बेल ताकि सारी नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंच सके. और हमारा चैनल देखते रहिए, अपने कमेंट्स करते रहिए. हो सकता है आपका कमेंट्स हमारे वीडियो में फीचर हो जाए. और प्लेलिस्ट को फॉलो करना मत भूलिएगा. तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं.
चलिए गाइस, लेट्स स्ट्रेट the reaction. Let's go.
บอกให้ play up โดยที่เนี่ยจำนวนบอกให้ play up โดยที่เนี่ยจำนวนช่วยโน้ตเพลงมวยนี้เอาโดยที่ชมวนมันก็ได้ชีวิตเอาโดยที่ปรุนลีทานเนี่ยมันโจจนยิ้มเมาเนี่ยรวนง่ายเนี่ยรวนบอกให้ play up โดยที่เนี่ยจำนวนช่วยโน้ตเพลงมวยนี้เอาโดยที่ชมวนมันก็ได้ชีวิตเอาโดยที่ปรุนลีทานเนี่ยมันโจจนยิ้มเมาเนี่ยรวนง่ายเนี่ยรวนไม่เอาละบงยุ่มวินเทจเนี่ยไอ้เคยยุ่มมันถึงโจเดย์ไอ้สนามมันโยบไปขมิ้นไปยิ้มเข้าไอ้นั่นเนี่ยได้สัตว์เซ่จับประดามเธอโอเวอร์ซีน้องตักเราลอกโจรีที่นี่เนี่ยไอ้ทักชมทัศน์มี Don't be afraid of me ยิ้มธรรมดาแต่แค่ทำมันธรรมดาไม่ขึ้นกันดาหมดมือไปแต่ขึ้นสัตว์คลารถนาไม่เรื่องไอ้ไม่รถนาไม่ก้อนแนสโอยไม่ก็เคลื่อนยิ้มด้วยบุพาบ้านแนลูกในไอดอลเลี้ยบ้านแนเตี้ยยิ้มให้แนเชื่อบ้านฝึกครูในชีมมิดมีในไทยแนจองลิงเพลิงบ้านแนคือการเพลิงเปรียบมีในแทรมอชัดเชิงบ้านแนโยบิยาตันในเปีย
So start is very good.
Start is very good. Video is shot very good, and we have discovered this artist from that video, State of Mind. State of Mind, and he's one of the biggest artists in Cambodia.
Yes.
So he's doing good here. His flow is good. We don't know what he's saying because it's Cambodian language, and we don't know what he's saying, but he is doing good. Flow is good.
Flow is very really good. Even if we talk about the beat section, the beat is like giving a very posh feel.
Yeah, exactly.
It's giving a very posh feel, and the beat is really very good. And the ways he's spitting his bars, they are coming phenomenally very good. Very good. Yes. And the flow, he's also variating the flow as well, because there are little bit changes in the flow, and that's coming out very good. The nuances and the things he's doing in the between is very good. We are not able to understand the language. There is a barrier, but yet technically it's when we are listening the song, it's sounding very good. और भाई जब देख भी रहे हैं इस चीज को, जब देख रहे हैं तो मजा आ रहा है.
और सबसे बड़ी बात ना, अगर वैसे भी देखा जाए तो जो ये है वो न्यू स्कूल स्टाइल ऑफ रैप है जो आजकल नया फ्लो चला है ना, जैसे गुची मेन और ये स्टाइल के रैपर्स करते हैं ना. तो that type of flow is doing actually.
And even हमारे एक व्यूवर ने बताया भी था कि जो ट्रिपल एक्सटेंशन जो यूएसए का एक्सटेंशन करके उनका जो नाम है, the artist who got shot. So there is a viewer who is telling us he's just same as him. The way he spit the bars and everything. तो इतना हमें महसूस हुआ कि शायद whatever he's trying to spit काफी अच्छा वो करते होंगे.
And I think the track name is Business Class.
So he's showing
his life, flexing his hood. He's flexing his just life ki how he's doing nowadays.
So and I think how he's living his life, the posh life and the lavish life, everything, right?
So that's why his life through this track he's indicating that he's living a business life. Business जैसे बोलते हैं ना, business आपका जो एयरलाइंस में जो बिजनेस क्लास होती है ना, तो ही इज टेलिंग दैट कि
एक elite life.
He's living an elite life.
He's living an elite life, and the start is coming out very good. And thank you so much for all our Cambodian viewers ki you have suggested us the track and the artist, and that's why we are reacting. So thank you so much. Let's move forward.
And do tell us what he's saying, because there is a language barrier over here. So please do tell us what actually he's saying. So let us.
កាថាត្រឡាយឡើងទ្រឹង I don't wanna get ពីអីទាំងអង្គព្រោះឥឡូវកំពុងតែ balling លែងមានអ្វីឲ្យខ្ញុំស្រណងខ្ញុំមកត្រូវការថា machine ខ្ញុំក៏ប៉ុន្តែរស់នៅបច្ចុប្បន្នខ្ញុំឃើញ money ខ្ញុំឡើង green អត់មានអ្វីដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំស្រស់ស្រន់ព្រោះខ្ញុំដាក់គោលដៅខ្ញុំ ping lean that's a part of all of them
So the thing is this type of flow is now doing. So he has changed his flow, and this flow I think is the third flow he's using, right? And the third one.
There are variation in his cadences. Agar if we talk about cadences, so cadences are he's using is really good.
Yes.
So he has variation that we can see
Yes,
over
yes,
here.
yes.
So he's using this variation in his flow, and the track is going good.
Good.
Now.
Yes, yes. Exactly. It's very good. Even his words in Asian State of Mind, even he was talking about that I want to do some good for my people, and these type of bars he was spitting in that track. So his track and everything the bars he's spitting is good. There is a barrier. That's what we are telling you because of the language.
We
But
can
yes,
talk about his technicalities, his flow, his
flows.
cadences. So that's what we are talking about.
Yes.
Overall, track is good. The vibe is good. It's short, really. Very
Yes,
good.
and it is a modern hip hop type
Yes,
of track.
it's the modern new school
New
style
school
of hip-hop.
style of rap. So let's move forward and let's react, guys. Let's
វិញខ្ញុំមកវិញ drop me boom ដាក់ចូលកាមេរ៉ាខ្ញុំមកឲ្យអ្នក zoom play នេះហត់ឲ្យហត់ទៅឲ្យខ្ញុំអ្នកដឹកជញ្ជូនថែមជឿដោយអំបិលឲ្យរអិលចូលក្នុង tune ខ្ញុំកំពុងតែ fresh រឿងអីក៏កំចង់មក room ជីវិតអ្នកតែខ្ញុំកំពុងរលូនចេញរកលុយវាយកដល់ afternoon ហើយនៅវត្តកើតពីអីទាំងអង្គព្រោះឥឡូវកំពុងតែ balling លែងមានអ្វីឲ្យខ្ញុំស្រណងខ្ញុំមកត្រូវការថា machine ខ្ញុំក៏ប៉ុន្តែរស់នៅបច្ចុប្បន្នខ្ញុំឃើញ money ខ្ញុំឡើង green អត់មានអ្វីដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំស្រស់ស្រន់ព្រោះខ្ញុំដាក់គោលដៅខ្ញុំ play ដូចជាអ្នកចំនួនជួយនៅ play មួយនេះឲ្យដូចជាឈ្មួញមិនក៏ដៃជីវិតឲ្យដូចជាព្រួញលឺថាអ្នកមិនចូលចិត្តខ្ញុំមកអ្នករួញឲ្យអ្នករួញបើថា play ដូចជាអ្នកចំនួនជួយនៅ play មួយនេះឲ្យដូចជាឈ្មួញមិនក៏ដៃជីវិតឲ្យដូចជាព្រួញលឺថាអ្នកមិនចូលចិត្តខ្ញុំមកអ្នករួញឲ្យអ្នករួញឲ្យអ្នកឯកភាពឲ្យអ្នកជ្រាបជាដំណឹងធ្វើការដូចចំនួនជួយបណ្ណាគឺបានប៉ុណ្ណឹង
I think this is the part where this part is his hook. So guys, जितना समझ में आ रहा है ये वाला section, if we are not wrong, this is the hook part, right? ये लग रहा है कि hook part है ये, and इसीलिए बार repeat भी हो रहा है. तो जितना समझ में आ रहा है कि ये hook part है, hook का section है.
And guys, our Cambodian viewers, please do tell us what he's talking about, what's the lyrics are. So please do tell us about that.
Exactly. चलिए भाई आगे react
Let's
करते हैं.
react.
Let's go. Let's react.
All of my problem ខ្ញុំមិនដែលរត់មានក្តីសង្ឃឹមដូចខ្ញុំបាយទឹកសមុទ្ររៀបចំមក this shit ដូចក៏តែឯកសារ Smoking on my shit ដូចបន្តឆ្នាំវីតាមីន R VD លើ play នេះ out here selling bar ឲ្យអ្នកងក់ក្បាលដូចជាមានតណ្ហាតណ្ហាលើ play តណ្ហាដល់អ្នកគេងមានតណ្ហាច្រើនព្រោះចង់មានតននៅក្មេងតណ្ហាលើ play តណ្ហាដល់អ្នកគេងមានតណ្ហាច្រើនព្រោះចង់មានតននៅក្មេងមានប្រាជ្ញាលេបញ្ញាអ្នកនឹងជោគជ័យមានកម្លាំងអ្នកនឹងខ្លាំងដូចកាមេរ៉ាស្មីចង់ដូច far ដូចជា spotlight នៅក្នុងពេលរាត្រីភ្លឺដូចច័ន្ទឲ្យខ្ញុំតាន់ឈរលើផែនដី
He has a fandom over there. This is sitar.
हाँ वो वाला जो बस even it can be some Cambodian instrument also क्योंकि
Maybe,
Indian
yes.
Indian उससे बहुत ज़्यादा वो है
बहुत
ना
ज़्यादा
वो,
because there they have the Angkor Wat temple, biggest Hindu temple over
Yes,
there.
yes, exactly.
और मतलब it's one of the biggest temples मतलब in the world, जिसे Hindu temple, biggest Hindu temple in the world. और भाई मतलब this man is too good.
too good. He has a very good fandom. That's what we were talking about. भाई पता चल रहा है
Because his shows are full and people are liking his, people are just enjoying his music. So he has a fandom over there in Cambodia that we can see over.
Yes, yes, and the track is very good, guys, and have a different vibe, a different style, a different genre, and a different type of a country vibe, right? जो उनकी country में है मतलब ना जिस तरह का एक वहाँ का culture and rooted जो भी रहे.
बिल्कुल. And if we talk about his flow na, so what he is doing that he's just going on a rhythm, and then he's changing his rhythm in between in some
with the same rhythm he's changing his flow with the
flow.
rhythm, yes.
And in between a rhythm, like for some chunk of bars he's in this rhythm, for chunk of bars he in this rhythm, and then in between those rhythm he's just going like that way.
He's increasing his flow,
His flow, yes, pace of his flow.
So
flow.
That's he's why increasing the pace of the flow, and yeah.
Yes, that's why he's sounding phonetically. He's sounding very good.
तो भाई बहुत मजा आया, मतलब सुनने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है और बहुत सही वाइब दे रहा है गाना. द ट्रैक इज वेरी ग्रूवी एंड हैज अ वाइब. सो मजा आ रहा है सुनने में. एक चीज जो पता चल रही है कि भाई है कुछ ना कुछ है. तो गाइज अगर अभी तक आपने इस आर्टिस्ट को नहीं सुना है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडियन पीपल, द DHH पीपल, तो जाइए यार इस ट्रैक को सुनिए. हिज आर्टिस्ट वॉन इज द नेम ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट एंड ही इज फ्रॉम कंबोडिया. एंड जितना सुनने हम समझ पा रहे हैं, टेक्निकलिटीज़ में भी काफ़ी सही लग रहे हैं. और जो अगर आपने लास्ट पार्ट आप सुनोगे जहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की वो सिम्फनी टाइप की बजी है, ड्रम्स बज रहे हैं, गिटार थोड़ा हुआ है, फिर सितार वाला भी एक टच है. माइट बी दैट वुड बी देयर ओन इन समथिंग, इन सम फोक इंस्ट्रूमेंट और समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी मच रिलेटेड टू गिटार एंड सितार, राइट. सो वो जब बच के आ रहा है तो भाई द एंड पार्ट इज, जो कंक्लूजन में लेके आए ट्रैक को, द कंक्लूजन पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रैक इज वेरी गुड. सो गाइज अगर आपने अभी तक ये नहीं सुना, जाके चेकआउट करिए और इसका रिएक्शन आपको मिलेगा सिर्फ हिप हॉप रिएक्टर रेडियो पर. तो आइए गाइज हमारा रिएक्शन चेक करिए, बताइए हाउ वाज इट एंड कीप कमेंटिंग गाइज, बिकॉज योर कमेंट कैन बी आ सकता है आगे वाले, मतलब आपको पता ही है, कैन बी फीचर्ड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तो कीप कमेंटिंग और बढ़िया बढ़िया बातें आप लिखते रहिए, बताइए. एंड टू ऑल आर Cambodian व्यूअर्स, कीप कमेंटिंग, कीप टेलिंग, एंड प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट द लिरिक्स ऑल्सो, व्हाट मेन थिंग्स ही इज talking about, what are the topics he's talking about, and what sort of bars he's spitting. So keep commenting and just make sure you nahi yaar kya bol raha hu, and keep supporting us the way you are doing it, right? So भाई इसी तरह सपोर्ट करते रहो, बनाए रहो अपनी DHH और ऐसे ही प्यार बरसाते रहिए, राइट. तो चलिए गाइज हम फिर वापस आएंगे एक बिल्कुल फ्रेश एंड बिल्कुल नई रिएक्शन वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन वी आर ज्वाल ब्रदर्स साइनिंग ऑफ. जय हिंद, जय श्री राम.